Please activate the subtitles.
My name is Roger, the student, and this is the first interview with Roger, the student. And today we've got a very special guest, my teacher, my inspiration, my role model, my precious, Roger, the teacher. Roger is a teacher, a translator, and a professional dancer. So come here and join us, Roger!
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for coming to the interview.
Oh, thank you very much for having me here. It's a pleasure to be here.
Alright, the first question for you is, Roger, what is your name?
Well, my name is Roger.
Great answer. You're so intelligent. My name is Roger too. Maybe it's destiny.
No, I believe it's just a coincidence. I truly believe it's just a coincidence, no.
Well, I don't believe in coincidences. I believe in astrology. Do you believe in astrology?
Actually, I don't believe in astrology because it's not scientifically based, so no, I don't believe in astrology.
I love astrology too. What sign are you?
I'm a Scorpio.
Scorpio, so you are dangerous and mysterious. Just like me.
Well, as I said before, I don't believe in star signs or anything like that. I really don't believe that. In my opinion, it's just nonsense.
Can you tell me about your first kiss? How was it?
Well, I'm very shy to talk about it, but, you know, it's actually a very funny story. My first kiss was...
You're funny. My first kiss was funny too. It's a funny story. I remember that I went to my high school teacher's house in order to study for something. I can't remember what it was, but he was a math teacher and he told me to sit right next to him on the sofa. He said, "Hey Roger, come here, sit right next to me on the sofa." And then he started giving me grapes in the mouth. I remember that. Those grapes were delicious. And then he said, "Roger, I'm gonna tell you something that I've never told anybody before." And I asked him, "Oh, what is it? Tell me now." And then he said, "I've got a daughter. Her name is Melissa." And then he introduced me to Melissa and she was really beautiful. And then one thing led to another and I kissed Melissa. She was hot.
Okay, and is this a true story?
No, I've never been kissed. Wait a minute, we have connection with someone from Japan. Oh, one of your fans from Japan is with us here on Skype. You know, he's gonna ask you a question.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
これはヤンさんの荷物ですか?
What's your name?
私はカカシノです.
And what's your question?
影分身の術、カトゥン、攻撃撃の術.
Oh, that's actually a great question because I truly like Japan. Japan is one of my favorite places. I've never been to Japan, but I already know that I love it because I love the Japanese culture. You know, I watch anime all the time, I'm reading manga all the time, so I really like the Japanese culture and I really plan to visit. And it's one of my dreams to visit Japan in the future. You know, maybe next year, who knows?
Do you like hentai and tentacles?
What kind of question is that? Of course I do.
So do I. I love tentacles. Kakashi Sensei, do you have another question?
苦手の極意いただきます。だってばよ先輩ですか、シップデン。ジャスピオンすみません。どこフルな声か。
Yeah, well, I can't really talk about that right now because, you know, I've got many projects for 2019. I'm going to tell you some things like I'm writing ebooks, many ebooks, I'm writing a book, I'm preparing a course, you know, a very complete course, in my humble opinion, it will be the most efficient and most complete course you will ever see. Yes, I'm writing this course, I'm writing a lot, you know, when I get home I start writing because I'm writing books, I'm writing my book and I'm also preparing an incredible course for you, for my subscribers. But I can't give you details right now because, you know, I'm gonna reveal everything in January, don't worry.
Well, Kakashi, thank you for your questions.
ビール様、こんにちは。ありがとうございます。
Oh, and I've heard that you're taking part in a YouTube contest right now. Tell me about it.
Yes, I'm taking part in the Melius challenge, so please click on the first link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment and vote for me there. I really need to win it. I need this channel to grow. I need this channel to grow, and I think it's one of the best ways to make it happen. So please go to the link below the video, click on it and vote for me. If you've already voted for me, please do that again, or ask your friends, family to do that. It's really going to help me a lot. Thank you for this opportunity.
Now I need to thank you, Roger. As I said in the beginning, you are my inspiration. You are a translator, you are a teacher. Your skin tastes just like chocolate, and you are my role model. You're the best. So thank you very much for being in the show. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you next time. Please click the big red button to subscribe. It really helps me when you do that, and click the bell to allow notifications so you will never miss new videos. Thank you very much.